Dodge Demon and Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack 1320 both feature very cool drag racing technology that includes the line lock for doing burnouts and the Transbrake for launching the car. Here's how to use both of those features. All you need to do to get started is put the car in drag mode via the Performance Pages feature on the center display.
So to start out with, for line lock, so what you'll do, so you'll left foot brake.
Sure.
Then you just hit activate line lock.
Activate line lock.
And then you have to be above 1,000. I say tell everybody to be around 1,300.
Yeah, that's where we're at.
Okay, now push and hold the OK button. Keep it down. Keep that down, take your foot off the brake. Now, now you're holding it with the OK button, okay?
So you hold this the whole time?
You hold that the whole time, and so you go ahead, bring your RPMs up to about 4,500 for your burnout.
Sure, it's not going to wheel hop or anything, is it? Hopefully not.
It should not. Now, keep it up. No, you want to keep them up there.
Yeah.
Canceled out. So you don't want to bring it up and then drop it right back down.
It cancels, got it.
Yeah, so go ahead.
Sure.
Line lock.
Okay.
Push the OK button, hold it, bring the RPMs up, keep them up. Let go of the button. Now roll out of the gas. There you go.
All right, let's get in the groove here, to the best of our ability. That's really slick. I like that for an OEM manufacturer. It's a really cool implementation. All right, let's get
so now once we'll stage, once we get the car staged,
sure,
then we won't worry about the tree and they'll just go through the Transbrake with you.
Sounds good. All right.
So, and it'll kind of walk you through it. So
okay.
What you do on your paddles, pull both of them straight back. It says increase engine speed. With your foot on the brake, bring the engine RPMs up to about 1,800, and it's going to show you right in the center. Bring it up, keep it up. You got to keep them up there.
There we go.
Okay, now let go of one paddle.
Does it matter which one?
Nope. Let go of the brake. Foot off the brake. Now you're holding it with the paddle.
And then you let go of the paddle and it goes.
Let go of the paddle and we launch.
All right, ready?
Ready, whenever you are. Just nice and smooth with the throttle.
Ready, steady. That's great! Wow!
And we're good. That's the thing. What do you think?
That's such an excellent implementation from manufacturer. That's really impressive.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?